Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video of Minecraft. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can actually download Optifine into your Minecraft. Let's get ahead and open first of all our Google Chrome or any browser that you are using, and let's search for T-Launcher, just like so. After doing it, click on T-Launcher and download it for your PC. If you have Windows, click on this one. iOS or Mac, click on this one, and Linux, this one. So let's click on here and download it for our Windows, and then we click on it just like so. Click yes and start installing it on your PC. It will not really take a lot of time. It will take a couple seconds and it will be by the end of the time installed. You can be agreed, and just make sure you don't check this one because it will download Opera if you don't want it, but if you want it you can keep it here. Anyway, I don't want it. Then click continue and it will start downloading. As you can see, I already have it, so I don't have to download it. Now I will quit and I will open it from here just like so. And now after it opens, make sure that you have Java in your PC. If you don't, just make sure that you will download it. Download and install no, and update. I have to update it, so let's update it. Okay, let's wait a little bit and it will be updated. This launcher is by far is like the best. You can like use scans and upload modes and stuff, etc. So it's really good to use. Anyway, for example, now let's go to our launcher. Here you can put your name, and from here guys you can choose whatever mod you'd like to download. For us in this tutorial we want the Optifine mode, so you can go over here, for example, to this version here, and we choose the Optifine. Click on install like so, and after waiting a couple of seconds you will have your Minecraft ready to go with Optifine inside of it. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.